అమరావతిలో సిజే గవాయ్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
However, the 6 judges took a view that the Parliament's power to amend the Constitution are restricted and it cannot amend the Constitution to take away the fundamental rights guaranteed to the citizen. It is only the view of Justice H.R. Khanna, partly accepted by 6 on one hand and partly accepted by 6 on the other hand, which is now the view in Keshavanand Bharati. Justice Khanna held that though the Parliament can amend the power even to take away the fundamental rights, it cannot amend the Constitution in a manner in which it takes away the basic structures of the Constitution. And therefore, the concept of basic future as found in Sajjan Singh, which was amplified as basic structure in Keshavanand Bharati, is what is the law which holds the field. Various principles like the federal structure of the Constitution, the separation of 3 wings, the executive, the judiciary, and the executive, judiciary, and the legislature, the independence of judiciary, the supremacy of the Constitution were held to be the basic structures which were subsequently evolved in various judgments, including the one in S.R. Bommai. As has been observed by the Honorable Chief Minister, it is all the 3 wings of the Constitution, that is the legislature, the executive, the judiciary, which are enjoined upon to carry forward the mandate of the Constitution to bring in social and economic justice. One of the greatest weapons for promoting the social and economic justice as envisioned by Dr. Ambedkar was part 4, that is the directive principles. And though we see that from 1950 to 1973, the tilt of the courts was always that wherever a conflict arose between the directive principles and the fundamental rights, the supremacy of the fundamental rights was always recognized. It was felt that wherever there is a conflict between the directive principles and the fundamental rights, the directive principles will have to give its way to the fundamental rights. It is for the first time in Keshavanand Bharati that this conflict was resolved. Though the court was virtually split on the question of Parliament's power to amend the Constitution, it was unanimous to hold that the directive principles and fundamental rights together and together alone are the soul of the Constitution. And therefore, Keshavanand Bharati held that the fundamental rights as well as the directive principles